So, old canning lid. Interesting. So it does work. Yep, that's what we got. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this metal detector. Alright guys, so this is everything you get. You get a manual, you get a trowel in here. It works as a shovel. So you just put this together. They give you your batteries, also earphones. Everything comes pieced off together, but it doesn't look that hard to put together. So this is your display screen. So we're gonna go ahead and, oh, by the way, they also give you a backpack. So a nice carrying bag for your metal detector. All right, guys, so it says something's right here. All right, let's see what we got. So, old canning lid. Interesting. So it does work. Yep, that's what we got.